वो इस समय सदन में है भी नहीं। नाम क्या है अच्छी तरह से जानते होंगे। अध्यक्ष महोदय, अध्यक्ष महोदय, मैं अपनी बातें समाप्त करूंगा। रामधारी सिंह दिनकर की एक कविता के साथ। सीमा पर एक सैनिक मर रहा था। मैं कंक्लूड कर रहा हूं। सीमा पर एक सैनिक मर रहा था। मरते हुए सैनिक से एक कवि ने पूछा, हे वीर बंधुदाई है कौन विपद का, हम दोषी किसको कहें तुम्हारे बद का। मरते हुए सैनिक ने कहा, यह गहन प्रश्न कैसे रहस्य समझाएं, 10-20 बधिक हो तो हम नाम गिनाएं। हर कदम कदम पर खड़ा यहाँ पातक है, हर तरफ लगाए घात बड़ा घातक है। देवता सदस्य दिखता है पर कमरे में वह गलत हुक्म लिखता है। जिस पापी को गुण नहीं गोत्र प्यारा है, समझो उसने ही हमें आज मारा है। जो सत्य जानकर भी न सत्य कहता है, या किसी लोभ के विवश चुप रहता है, उस कुटिल राजतंत्री करदय को धिक है। वह मूक सत्यहंता कम नहीं बधिक है। चोरों के जो हीतु ठगों के बल हैं, जिनके प्रताप से पलते पाप सकल हैं। जो छल प्रपंच सबको प्रश्रय देता है, या चाटुकार जन की सेवा लेता है, यह पाप उन्हीं का हमको
सर
मार
प्लीज
गया
कंक्लूड
है।
सर।
भारत अपने ही घर में हार गया है।
I call upon the next speaker, Mohammad Nadimul Haque. Sir, please tell the rules, sir.
Rule 238A। मैंने बहुत ही विनम्रता से इंतजार किया और सदन में जो एकेडमिक डिस्कशन चल रहा है ये चले शांतिपूर्वक। इस पे मैं एक बात से आपको 238 पे, कोई सदस्य किसी अन्य सदस्य के खिलाफ सदस्य के विरुद्ध मानहानिकारक या अपराध में फंसाने वाले स्वरूप का कोई आरोप नहीं लगाएगा, जब तक कि आरोप लगाने वाले सदस्य ने सभापति और संबंधित मंत्री को इसकी पूर्व सूचना दी हो, ताकि मंत्री को दिए जाने के प्रयोजन के विषय की जांच कर सके। मानवर परंतु सभापति किसी समय सदस्य को कोई ऐसा आरोप लगाने से मना कर सकेगा या आपकी राय में आए ऐसा आरोप राज्यसभा की गर्मी को घटाने हो वाला हो या आरोप को लगाने का कोई जनसिद्ध नहीं होता। आपसे फैसला नहीं चाहता हूं, मैं फैसला उनसे चाहता हूं। मानवर एक मंत्री का ये आचरण, मानवर जो इन्होंने आरोप लगाया है श्री नासिर हुसैन पे, उनको कोई सूचना नहीं दी गई, मंत्री को कोई सूचना नहीं दी गई। मेरा सिर्फ आग्रह है कि चर्चा शांतिपूर्वक चले, इसलिए ऐसा कोई आरोप न लगाया जाए जिससे राज्यसभा की गरिमा गिरे, और ये जो आरोप लगाया गया है इससे राज्यसभा की गरिमा गिरती है।
1 minute, सर प्लीज।
माननीय सदस्य नासिर हुसैन पर कोई आरोप नहीं लगाया। उन्होंने इतना कहा कि ये जीते तब पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद के नारे लगे। इनमें इन पर क्या आरोप है? नारे तो किसी और ने लगाए, मगर नारे क्या लगे? पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद के लगे। क्यों लगे? वो ना
1 minute, I'll clarify. He has already submitted his authenticated.
My name is called. My name is taken, sir.
Sir,
my name is taken.
Sir,
I just given.
Sir, that is what.
Sir,
Sir,
when this incident happened.
Sir, that is
sir,
what.
sir, when this incident happened, None of the people, those who are present, except one journalist, I don't know from where he came, only he heard this. After that, nobody
Sir.
else heard this. Then, even then, on air, I told my government, I requested my government that if somebody has done that, he has to be arrested and tried according to the law of the land.
Sir, nothing will go on record. I'll call upon the next speaker, Mohammed Nadimul Haq, to speak in Urdu. Sir, you have 25 minutes. Sir, what is the rule you are quoting, sir?
Rule 241. Kindly look at Rule 241. Personal explanation. A member has a right to give personal explanation when his name is mentioned or he has been named by some other member. Kindly go through the rules. वो तो expunge करेगा, expunge कैसे करेगा?
Sir,
How do we expunge that? It cannot be expunged.
His speech will be reviewed, sir.
No, personal explanation. If somebody says something against me, which is not correct, I have a right under Rule 41 for a personal explanation.
Sir, he has spoken with the permission of the chair.
No.
Sir, and we will review his
I am
speech.
in the dark.
Sir, we will review
I
his
am in
speech.
the dark. I was not in the know.
Sir, we will review
I
his
was
speech,
not
sir.
in the know.
We will review his speech.
No, you cannot encroach upon the right of a member. Rule has given the authority.
Sir, we will review
No,
his
sir.
speech, sir.
No, sir.
Sir, you can.
My
you can
authority,
take the
my right
assurances
cannot
from
be
the chair. We
encroached
will review
upon.
his speech. Sir, I call upon the next speaker,
This is
Mohammed
not fair.
Nadimul Haq.
This is not fair.
Sir, he will speak in Urdu. Sir, we will review his speech, sir. I've already said. Sir, where is next speaker, Mr. Mohammed Nadimul Haq? I'll go to the next speaker. Sir, Mr. Mohammed Nadimul Haq. Sir, I've already answered, sir. Sir, I've already answered. Sir, we will review his speech, sir. Sir. The next speaker, sir, I call upon the next speaker, sir. To the next speaker, Mr. Mohammed Nadimul Haq. Sir, what is the rule you are referring to, sir? Please tell the rule you are referring to.
241, I say.
Yes.
Already mentioned.
Yes.
He has got every right to
Sir,
give a personal explanation.
Sir, that is what,
when
sir.
his name has been taken.
Sir, we have already
You have
said.
to give him the floor.
Sir, we have
Give him
already.
the floor.
No, we have already said that his speech will be reviewed. Sir, I call upon the next speaker, Mohammed Nadimul Haq. Sir, Mohammed Nadimul. Sir, Mr. Mohammed Nadimul, please go on.
Sir, thank you very much for allowing me to speak on this bill. Sir, ये जबर भी देखा है
1 minute,
तारीफ
sir.
की नजरों ने.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
When personal allegations are made, you give a chance to clarify it. Just 10 seconds.
I will do that,
10
sir.
seconds.
I will do that. I will do that. After the speaker completes, I'll just clarify,
No.
get a clarification.
You now only 30 seconds.
Huh?
Sir, 1 minute, sir. After the Honorable Home Minister spoke and said Honorable Member could give an explanation, the chair gave him a chance. He spoke about it. I've heard it. Many of us heard it. Post which you have called Honorable Member Haq to speak. Then Sukendra Shekhar Roy, the member from TMC, Honorable Member, asked the same point. But after the Home Minister spoke, The chair has given him a permission. He stood and spoke. He even went to the extent, I'll recall what he said. I'll recall what he said. If he has not said it, let him correct me. He said, none of us were present in the house. There was one journalist. Action was, all this was said after the permission was given. How many times for one reference will he have to be given the chance to speak? He was given the chance. He spoke. We all heard it. Matter closed. Then you said, called up Sukendra Shekhar Roy. How many times, sir? Please, and if Sri Nadimul Haq doesn't want to speak, call the next person. He is not getting up. Let somebody else speak. You said, oh yes, he didn't get up. 3 times the chair called. Speak. Let him speak. Let him speak. The chair called, he didn't get up. The chair called, he didn't get up. When the chair called, he didn't get up. Stop banging the chair. Stop banging the table. Stop banging the table, Derek. Stop banging the table. So the chair called and then the honorable member 3 times. The chair, please check the record. Please check the record. Please check the record. Please check the record. I want to say it. 3 times. The chair called him
Please
3
sit down.
times. He didn't even get up. Chair called him 3 times. He didn't even get up. Then go to the next speaker, yeah. What is this? He wants to speak 3 times. You want to be called 3 times. Is there some order? Chair, please, if honorable member Haq wants to speak, since he was called, because the chair gave him the permission, let him
Please sit down.
speak. Let
कृपया
him
आप सब लोग बैठ
speak.
जाए कृपया बैठ जाए
And if
How
he doesn't
there is
speak,
no leg.
how many
Please sit
times
down.
will he have to go back to that
Please
person?
sit down. Please
Too
sit
much.
down. Please sit down. Please. देवगौड़ा जी खड़े हैं मैं एक सूचना के साथ आपको निवेदन कर रहा हूं
Honorable Chairman,
यस
to speak on this bill. I am only waiting when the chairman comes because he has made an announcement yesterday for the former Prime Minister 10 minutes